What's up, YouTube? I'm Justin Swanstrom.
And I'm Slinky.
Welcome back to the channel. We're over here at Cameron Johnson Race Cars. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all a little secret that I've been holding in. When I wrecked Aftermath in Norwalk, Ohio, I bought another chassis a week later. A guy came to me. He knows that I wrecked a car. He's seen it on the internet. He gave me a deal of a lifetime on this chassis. It's something that we were not able to turn down. So I was not 100% sure if I was going to be able to rebuild Aftermath or what we were going to be able to do with that car moving forward. So we bought this chassis. So we're going to run Pro 275 and the Street Outlaw No Prep. I've been watching all the videos that I've posted, and I went to the analytics just to see what my viewers wanted. The duration of the average viewer watches my videos between 6.5 and 7.5 minutes long. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and start shortening my videos. I know y'all don't like to hear me talk a lot, so we're gonna go ahead and shorten these things up so everybody gets the full potential over here at the Swan Gang camp. We're down over here at Cameron Johnson Race Cars. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all Aftermath 2.0. The car will be out in January. I brought it here so we can get some updates made. I fit good in the car. I just need to move the brake pedal and gas pedal, move the shifter around a little bit, change some weight tabs in the car so I can put the weight wherever I want it, because we are going to run Pro 275 and the Street Outlaw No Prep. There's two things I wanted to talk about in this video. One is we're going to shorten the videos so that everybody can get the full potential of it. The second thing is me and Slink, we're going to go ahead and clean up the channel. We've been cussing a lot here lately, and it's not good for the kids. I have a bunch of kids that follow me and watch what we do, and it's just not good for them. So the type of
good example.
Yes. So the type of work that we're in and the type of racing, it's foul mouth. That's just how it is. But I want to be the one that sets the example for the kids that are growing up and even other adults out there. We've been getting carried away here in the last couple videos with a lot of foul language. So I want to go ahead and clean it up. So we're going to clean the foul language up, and we're going to make shorter videos. But we're heading on over here. I'm going to take y'all over to the other part of the shop. I'm going to show y'all Aftermath 2.0. All right, guys, so y'all got to see Aftermath 2.0. It's over here at Cameron Johnson Race Cars. I'm changing the gas pedal, brake pedal, shifter. There's some weight I want to move around. We're cutting the firewall out of the car. We're putting a titanium firewall in it so we can get a little bit lighter and be able to move some stuff around for me. I'm kind of comfortable in it, but I want to be more comfortable in this car. So that's the reason why I brought it over here. He's about to knock it out for me. We're going to start testing in January. It's going to have the big 997 cubic inch Pat Musi motor in it with a Rosler 3-speed setup and a Chance converter. I just wanted to show y'all, it's the same body style, it's a 2001 Camaro. I just wanted to show y'all what we had going on. Aftermath is repairable. Y'all seen in the previous video, only the firewall forward is what's gonna need to be repaired. I'm gonna keep on to the car. I'm gonna go ahead and rebuild it next year in case I need it or in case I wanna do something else with it. But I do have this car right here, Aftermath 2.0. Everything is identical other than I want to change some things so it's to our liking and our type of racing. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel. I just wanted to change some things. One thing is we're going to clean this channel up. There's going to be no more cussing going on inside this channel. Second thing is I'm going to shorten the videos up for right now so everybody can get the full potential and hear everything we got going on.